1 cup and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Combine and set them aside. One egg, 400 milliliters of coconut milk. Mix them together. One-third cup of sugar. One-fourth teaspoon of pandan extract. Mix well. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Combine them. One-half cup of sweetened coconut flakes. Gently combine. Once all the ingredients are mixed, it is ready to cook. We'll be using the Cuisinart Waffle Maker. Set the temperature level to 4 and wait for the beep sound. When you hear the beep sound, that means the waffle maker is hot and ready to use. Brush with the melted butter. Scoop the batter and spread it on the waffle maker. Close the waffle maker. Tilt the waffle maker to make sure batter is evenly distributed in the waffle maker.
Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspirations and easy home cooking. Thank you so much for watching.